we're doing the redo video of the multiplication one that I did before, so I'm just going to briefly go over what I got wrong in the first place. So we're doing, of course, 2,893 times 124. So we're going to go over here, we're going to draw it out with our super blocks, and then our super cubes, rods, and singles. So our first group is that we look in the ones place over here. We're going to have four groups of the whole of 2,893. So we come over here, and we're going to draw out first our super cubes, and we have 2. So we're going to have 2, and then we're going to draw our regular cubes. We have 8, so we drew those. And then 9, we have 9 rods. And then 3, we have 3 singles over here. So we draw that exact line 4 times to represent the 4 groups that we have in the ones place. So we do that, and then once we draw out all of these, all of the 4 groups that we have, we add them all up, because that's what you do for multiplication, and your sum becomes, for the first chunk, 11,572. Then you move down to work into this tens place, which that, of course, like when we do it with multiplication, we're adding 0, so that's why we come over here and we go, it's 10 groups of 2 groups of 2,893. Because you're working now in the tens place, that's why we have the added 0 that we carry down. And there's 2 of them from the number that's 2. So of course we're not going to write out this many boxes, but just imagine that we have the same setup with the 2 super cubes, the 8 regular cubes, 9 rods, and 3 singles. And we have the same setup, and we have this chunk 10 times. So when we have this chunk 10 times, our sum for all of that when we add together is going to be 57,860, which is what we have over here as well, 57,860. So we add that to our multiplication, and we go down to the last step that we have to do. We have to deal in the hundreds place. So now we're adding 2 extra zeros. So of course, in the picture that we draw, we're going to have 100 groups. That's how we get those extra zeros. And we're going to have 100 groups of one group of 2,893. Of course, we still have our 2 super cubes, 8 regular cubes, 9 rods, and 3 singles. So when we have 100 groups of this, the total is going to be 289,300. Then finally, like we do over here, we take all of these and we add them all together, all of these steps. So we're going to come over here and we add up all of the individual group sums that we have made. So we do the 11,572 plus the 57,860, 289,300. When we add all those up, we get our grand total of 358,732 in our visual demonstration over here. And that's the same thing as the arithmetic demonstration from before. So that just explains the part that I missed about the zeros from the previous video that explains how we get those zeros.